Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I am back with another drink video. So today I decided I'm going to be trying out the Skittles daiquiri, and I'm going to be using the strawberry Skittles in this drink. So what I have is my strawberry master of mixes. I'm going to be using some Dragonberry Bacardi. And of course, some Skittles. So what I've done is I've taken 2 of these little shots here and I'm soaking up the Skittles, and it's taking the color off of them. So let's go ahead and get started. So here I have my ice, and I'm gonna go ahead and I guess I'm gonna go ahead and pour the candy in here too with the shots. And then I'm gonna pour in some more shots, but it's gonna be of the Dragonberry this time. And of course, you can pour as much alcohol in it as you would like. So I did about 3 shots of the Dragonberry Bacardi, and then I did 2 of the Superior White Bacardi. And Bacardi is rum. I'm gonna go ahead and pour in my strawberry mix. Pour in about a half a cup. Let me do another 1/4 of a cup. If you want it thicker, just add more ice. So let's try this out first, and then we'll see if we need more. Close that down. Turn it on, and I'm gonna put it on high, or I'm put it on medium first. I am gonna put some more ice in there. So these are the cups I'm gonna be using today. These are just some plastic cups. They're about 12 ounces. And then I have the little dome caps that go on it. Get that taken off. I'm gonna get that poured in. Nice and smooth. And then I'm just gonna top it off with some more Skittles. You can skip this part if you want to. You don't have to put extra Skittles in there. Then I'm just gonna get the tops on. And then you can just add your straw. Or if you want to make it fancy, you can get an extra shot. And you can just dump it in. and you can do it like that. It's really up to you. But there you have it, guys. That's my strawberry Skittles daiquiri. So I hope you all enjoyed this video today. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you liked it. And don't forget to comment down below if there's anything you would like to see me make, and I will be happy to do that for you. And as always, thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye.